Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold, USD, and silver. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And yes, we are speechless. Gold is right now trading around 4877. To be honest, in the morning, I got a big shock when I saw gold was trading around 4850. But because yesterday, at night when I closed all my positions, gold was trading around 4735, 4734 area. And whenever I was talking about hold your position, to be honest, I was not expecting this move in such a short period of time, and that's why I closed all my positions. But in the morning when I saw that gold is flying, so it was a regret. But yeah, regret is part of this journey. So anyways, many of you are still holding gold, I know, because I have received many messages also in the morning. So if you're still holding buy on gold, nothing to say. Just enjoy a drink and just say cheers. Hold your buy position because sky is the limit, and we can clearly see that gold is heading towards 5000. Yes, 5000. At one point, 4000 was unbelievable for us, but now we can see that 5000 is also becoming a reality, not much far away. So you can easily hold your buy position right now because gold is still fundamentally super bullish. So hold your buy, no need to exit, just trail your stop loss, because at one point when there will be profit booking, you should not lose all the money at once. So just keep on trailing the stop loss. For example, when gold will be around 4900, you can bring your stop loss to around 4850, 4860. When gold will hit 4950, you can bring your stop loss to 4900, 4910, so that if a reversal comes also, you can book all the profits. So 5000 is a reality, and this is a market. This is a market where you don't scalp. This is a market where you just enter and sit with the buy position, because if you try to scalp for 30-40 pips, that will be a foolish decision. You will be missing the big chunk of the profit. And right now we can see that gold is trading around 4876. If you are a part of our Telegram community, then in the morning, I told you guys can buy around 4852. So if you are a part of a free Telegram community, hopefully you guys are in good profit right now. And as I said, you can hold your buy position, no need to exit, because there is no TP here. And if you are not a part of a free Telegram community, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. And those who missed the entry, yes, nothing much to say here, because you need to wait for retracement. Because in a market like this, the best trading strategy is buy at retracement or buy at dip. So here, you need to wait for the proper retracement. Right now, as we can see on the chart, the retracement level is around 4840. So during the day, if market comes and takes support around 4840, you can look for a buy position. In case the correction is deeper, then we can look for a support around 4800. Why 4800? Because it's a round number, psychological support. So 4800 is the best support, but at this moment, we are looking for a retracement around 4840. And during the day, if the up move continues, then remember, what we have been following for last 1.5 years, I guess. All the previous resistance will be working as support. For example, later on during the US session, you can expect the same level to work as the new support. When market will take support around the previous resistance, you can buy as well. At the time of recording the video, 4840 seems to be the support, but later on, every resistance will become the support. Now let's see. And if market doesn't come for retracement, if market doesn't come for retracement, if market consolidates, then well and good, we can also look for buy at breakout. Because see, while recording the video, we do not see a proper retracement here. So if market consolidates around this zone for a while, then what you can do is you can draw a line like this. When market will break it, you will just enter at the breakout. So here, okay, the level is around 75, 76. So later on, okay, if market breaks it, you can enter. But right now we don't see much consolidation. For a proper breakout, strong breakout, we need a consolidation of at least 1 to 2 hours. मतलब मार्केट अगर एक रेंज में ट्रेड करता है तभी हम मान सकते हैं कि वो ब्रेकआउट स्ट्रांग होगा. सो हियर right now, okay, buying at retracement is the best solution here because we do not see any consolidation. Obviously, during the day, during the European session or US session, market will consolidate. When there will be consolidation, just mark a line at the top. Okay, and when market will break the line at the top, you can buy at breakout. The same old strategy we have been following for all this time. Okay, so nothing new here. And if you are planning to sell, please do not make the mistake because market is fundamentally bullish right now. Many of you took sale also, okay, and you have lost your account also. And next time onwards, okay, I'll just say next time onwards, just try to follow the trend of the market because trend is your friend. Okay, do not forget it. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see, okay, gold may rise to 5,000 per ounce amid geopolitical uncertainties, as we all know. And gold rises amid ongoing US-Europe tensions over Greenland. I do not want to go in detail because all of you know it very well that things are very unstable right now geopolitically. And this is the main reason why gold is so bullish right now and market is expecting 5,000. In short, if you are following the trend of the market, follow the trend of the market, sky is the limit. Or at least we can clearly see gold is heading towards 5,000 level. If you have missed the entry, looking for fresh position, it will be better for you to buy at retracement. While recording the video, the two retracement levels are 4800 and 4840 around these two areas. During the day, if market goes up, then obviously you can buy at retracement around the previous levels when the price action will come into the scene, when the previous resistance will become the support. And for buying at breakout, we need a consolidation, we need a range. For example, if market stays in this range for a while, and when market will break 4878, 4879, we can look for buy it breakout. Okay, and now let's talk about silver. XAUUSD. Okay, this is the chart of silver in front of us, 50-minute chart. You can see the chart of silver is not responding well to the ongoing geopolitical tension. So if you trade both on silver and gold, then obviously gold is in much better position because as you can clearly see, silver is sideways right now. Okay, if you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, okay, if you are afraid of riding the trend of the market, then you can trade on silver. But if you're looking for big profit, then obviously gold is a better option here because gold is riding, and go for gold, sky is the limit. Whereas silver failed to cross the range here. So on the chart of silver, okay, or if you only trade on silver, okay, then obviously you need to stick to the levels here because we can clearly see that market is range bound. The best support on the chart of silver is around 91.75. This is the best support on the chart of silver. Then we also have a support around 92.55. So you can see, okay, every previous significant low is a support here. If market takes support, we can look for a buy position. If the volume is low on silver, then we can also look for a support around 93.45. Okay, keep in mind, okay, these levels have been tested already, so they are not very strong right now. But as the nature of the market is sideways, we are looking for a one-time bounce, yes, one-time bounce around these levels, 93.45, 92.55 and 91.75. And if market goes up, okay, if you are planning to sell, it's up to you, but personally I am not going to suggest you any sell position here because we should not forget that fundamentally the overall market is very bullish right now. Silver is in a range unlike gold, but if it gets wild, then obviously things will be difficult for these sellers. So okay, I will just suggest you to buy, okay, if you are planning to trade on silver. But if you trade on both silver and gold, then obviously gold is a far better choice right now because of the clear cut trend on gold.